Hey guys, this is Hira Babu and you are watching ProgrammingScript.com. So in this lecture, we will learn about Spring Boot uh, applications. So I'm going to start the course. So first we should learn about Spring Boot, right? So what is Spring Boot? See, Spring Boot is a Spring module, right? So if you are already aware with Spring Core or Spring MVC, then it will give you a better benefit, right? So, however, if you do not have a better understanding, I will give you some video lecture link that I have already uploaded on YouTube. So stay here and understand the agenda and what is we are going to discover and explore in this course. Okay, so let's begin. I am Hira Babu and you are watching ProgrammingScript.com. Okay, so understand this project. So let's understand one thing that if what are the course agenda we have. So in our course, we are going to understand the basic and the advanced concept of a Spring framework. Okay. So my my motto to build this project, this course for beginners and professional both, right? So if you are a beginner or either you are a professional, right? So what I said earlier that if you have better understanding the Spring Core or Spring MVC, it will help you a lot, right? So if you don't have, don't worry. What we are going to do? We are going to understand the basic and the advanced concept in the Spring framework. So stay here and understand what we are going to cover the Spring Boot course. So in this course, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn Spring application development uh, RAD module in the Spring framework that is given by the Spring feature. Okay. So in this course, we will learn about the Spring Boot features, all the features and the core concept, core topics of the Spring Boot, right? So in this lecture, we will also understand what are the projects inside the Spring Boot we have and what we can do with the Spring Boot. And we have a Maven project in the Spring Boot also. And we have a starter project wizard tool is there. So how we will go, how we are going to do or create a project from the web page that is given by a Spring. So we can do from a Spring IO or boot Spring IO boot, and initialize we have a Spring initializer also we have a CLI, and we have other application that we are going to also create a Spring Boot applications projects. So it will help you to understand. Another thing, we will also understand the annotations of the Spring Boot. What are the dependency management inside the Spring Boot? What are the properties we are going to access in the Spring Boot projects? We have some starter actuator, we have a JPA concept in this, and we have JDBC and many more features inside the Spring Boot, right? So in this course we will learn a lot of things. So stay and subscribe the course and get enrolled as soon as possible. So we are going to just discuss what is a Spring Boot, so you can start the Spring Boot and develop your career with a Spring Boot, right? So see, Spring Boot help you to become a better developer than others in Java, right? So Java is better than any other language. Like sometime in 2014, Python was going to grab all the entire industry. So when Java 8 came, all of those features that is in the Python we have in this. So we will also learn about some Java 8 features in this project. So better first understand what is Spring Boot. The Spring Boot is a project that is built on the top of the Spring framework, and its benefit is that it provides an easier and faster way to set up the project and to configure. Also, we can run very fast and faster as compared to other Spring Core or MVC, right? So those features we will learn, and we will see many applications. So I will go through an e-commerce website that I have already built on. So I will show you all the modules that I have created. So all the product level, project management level, project delivery, how user will deliver, login, and everything. Spring Security will also will provided inside that. So we will see that if you are want to know which project I'm going to explain you, so you can go the Paras online card, and I will let you know how we are going to manage those things, right? So thanks guys, and stay here.